Confirmation. To confirm an idea, you can use a complete sentence or the short form of the idea by using to, which means also. Example: my sister is learning Hindi. We are also learning Hindi. These two sentences can be written differently by using to or so are we. My sister is learning Hindi. We are too. My sister is learning Hindi. So are we. Practice the following sentences for learning the use of to and so are we. So do they. Practice 1. We are too. Suresh copied all the words. We did too.
They are learning English. We are too.
You have accepted the offer. We have too.
Manohari should watch the program. We should too.
Raju found the answer. We did too.
They can work at the hostel. We can too.
Kalyani studies every morning. We do too.
They had to be at the function. We had to.
Priya has read that novel. We have too.
You got good results. We did too.
Jaya can do that easily. We can too.
They are working on their part. We are too.
You are going to leave soon. We are too.
Chitra will speak to Mrs. Lalita. We will too.
Kiran enjoys that radio program. We do too.
Jayanti has returned to the institution. We have too.
Radha is writing to the corporation. We are too.
Lakshmi writes lots of assignments. We do too.
Practice 2. So do they.
I know all the workers. So do they.
Ramya is writing the answer now. So are they.
Divya can explain it to you. So can they.
You will be at the marriage function. So will they.
I have sufficient time for that work. So do they.
Kumar should come with her. So should they.
We have to go immediately. So do they.
Lalita has done well. So have they.
Malati is going to walk to the post office. So are they.
I was very happy about it. So were they.
You like to listen to the lecture. So do they.
Murthy has already bought that book. So have they.
You can come home with me. So can they.
You could wait for me. So could they.
Krishnan appreciates my help. So do they.
You have enjoyed the dance program. So have they.
Vasu is going to speak in Hindi. So are they.
I helped her very much. So did they.